Guys, this is CryptoMac and we are watching Crypto with CryptoMac. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going to this video, please like this video and also subscribe this channel to support this channel. So today we are going to see amazing projects, amazing altcoins that have much more potential to attract more gains during the Bitcoin bull cycle. So we are going to see some of the oracles providers, so some of the oracle projects that can have maximum potential to gain more attention during the Bitcoin bull cycle. So we know that Bitcoin has crossed the $12,000 resistance and it has been staying near to $13,000. So we know that the bull cycle is going to start, and we have the major resistance at the 13,500 range. After that, we don't have any other major resistance. Then straight $20,000. That is all-time high of Bitcoin. So we know that we are in a crucial phase of Bitcoin bull run. So the altcoins that can perform along with Bitcoin. So during the Bitcoin cycle, we know that previous cycle, some of the altcoins made a huge, tremendous gain. For example, we have Ethereum, XRP is there. XRP that also has a tremendous gain during the past bull cycle. Lots of projects, so you can say Litecoin. So there are lots of projects. So this time during this bull cycle, what are the projects we can expect? What are the altcoins we can expect that can get more attention and that can give more gains? So we know that in the August, that is this is October, 2 months before, we have a small oracle season. So no, it's not oracle season, small altcoin season, where some of the altcoins had a tremendous gain. So during that time, some of the oracle projects that get more attention and that gives more gain compared to other altcoins. So whether this Bitcoin season will be fueled along with the altcoin, so that is Oracle Solutions. So we are going to see some of the Oracle projects that can have high potential during the Bitcoin bull cycle. So we will be seeing those projects, and we will be seeing the Bitcoin price, and then we will be seeing all these projects. So stay tuned and let's dive into this video. Now we can do market analysis in CoinGecko. Let's see the past 24 hours top 10 coins. We have Bitcoin 0.8% up, Ethereum minus 0.2% down, XRP 0.7% up, Bitcoin Cash minus 0.5% down, Chainlink minus 1.3% down, Binance Coin 1.8% up, Polkadot 1.4% up, Litecoin 1.9% up, Bitcoin SV 3.6% up. So these are the top 10 coins which has performance during the past 24 hours. If we see the past 24 hours gainers, we have Filecoin, that is 28.6% up, Reserve Rights Token RSR, that is 11% up. So we have discussed a lot about RSR. And Eldron, that is 9.7% up, Avalanche 6.9% up, Dogecoin 6.2%. Other than that, these are not gainers. So since it's a weekend, we can expect it's not a weekend, after the weekend we can expect a small movements, and these are some of the gainers. We can see only 2 to 3 gainers. If we see the losers, we have Energy Web Token, that is EWT minus 8.6% down, Uniswap minus 4.9% down, and overall no losers, guys. These are it's below 5%. So these are not losers. So overall no losers, and the market is slightly bullish and sideways. So this is the overall market scenario. If we see the Bitcoin price, technical analysis, we have been discussing a lot about this in the previous videos. That is the long-term perspective about these Elliott waves. That is 1 and 2. The third is the impulse wave. Then we have 3 to 4 will be the correction wave. Then we will be having another impulse wave. So we will be discussing about this. And Bitcoin actually had a small fake out. This is a fake out. This is what we usually call as fake out. We'll be having just pump then dump. So it's like this is a fake out, and Bitcoin is staying in this area, that is $13,150. It's staying in this area, and it had formed a small triangle. So you can see here, this is one of the triangle, and now it is trying to break. Let's see how this whether it will be a real breakout or else whether it will follow this thing. So it will be having a small correction from here, small pullback from here, and then it will break down here, and then it will come to $12,000. That is more important. That is the actual thing. that is how the market behaves. We'll be having retesting of those broken level. So that is the $12,000. So we can expect if this breaks down, so you can see there is a small pullback from here. So if this breaks down, we can expect the price to come to this one, that is $12,000, which is the correction, and that is what we are expecting for this according to the Elliott waves. That is the correction wave 3 to 4. So if this breakdown, we can expect the price can come to $12,000. We'll be having some of the retesting over here, then it can approach to the fifth wave, which is above $13,500. So let's see how it behaves in the future, how it moves, how the price moves in the future. So that's all for this Bitcoin price technical analysis. And now let's see some of the Oracle solutions. So these are the Oracle coins, top Oracle coins by market cap. So we have Chainlink, we have UMA, Band Protocol, Nest Protocol, Augur, Teller, Dia, Zap, DOS Network, and Idana. So these are the things, and what we are going to see is we are going to see some of the most important and potential projects. UMA is also a nice project, but we are going to see some of the projects. That is, we are going to see first project is Chainlink. Actually, we are going in an order like by market cap. So we are going from highest to lowest. So that is from higher market cap to lower market cap. So first project we are going to see is Chainlink. So Chainlink is the king of Oracle. You can say it's the first project. It's the king of Oracle, we can say, and it is the king of DeFi. Without Chainlink, there is no DeFi initially. So this is the king of DeFi, we can say. So Chainlink, this is a huge project, and its market cap, it's staying around the rank is number 6, and it has a market cap of $4 billion. So it is a $4 billion market cap. So $4.7 billion. So this is high market cap coins, but still it has huge potential, guys. It has huge potential. We know that Bitcoin will be having a higher market cap than this. Now that during all-time high, Bitcoin will have higher market cap. At that time, these Chainlink can go further, and it can do, like you can say, to 10, 20 or 30x. It can go up to 30x, but not a financial advice. Do your own research and do your own research before investing. That is more important. But in my view, this is my perspective, and in my view, I am expecting of around 20 to 30x. That is a genuine one. And you can see here the price. So it came from around $0.5. So you can see the all-time low is 0.1. Now we can expect, you can see here, that is 2019 February, it was $0.5. So from $0.5, then it was stayed around $1.8. Then we have a tremendous up to $20. So if we take around a 0.5 or 0.2, you can say 0.22, it's around $20, which is 0.2 to 2 is 10x, 2 to 20 is another 10x. So it's already made 100x. So it is already made 100x in the price. In the Chainlink price already made 100x, but still it has a potential to go further, since this Chainlink project was not available, that is not present during the previous bull cycle. We don't know the all-time high during the bull cycles. So these projects are available after the it's listed after the bull cycle, that is 2017 bull cycle. So we don't know the price, so it haven't discovered that bull cycle price, that is during the bull run. We'll be having certain all-time highs, right? For example, we have lots of projects that made all-time high during the bull run. So that all-time high is not yet discovered for Chainlink, and also it has huge potential because we know that most of the project is dependent on Chainlink. It's like a Coca-Cola. It's compulsory. Chainlink is needed for most of the projects like DeFi. We need Chainlink. So data providers is very much needed, the oracles. So if you see this market cap, it's still high. It's in the 6th rank, but it has high potential, we can say. And the maximum supply is around 1 billion. So the coin maximum supply is 1 billion. And about Chainlink. So about Chainlink, I will just go through about Chainlink. You can see your smart contracts connected to real world data, events and payments. So the Chainlink will be acting as a bridge, which will be a data provider. It will take data from the real world scenarios and it will send the data into the blockchain. Actually, the main important thing, that is the main difficult thing, is sending the data onto the blockchain. That is the most difficult thing in the blockchain part. So this Chainlink is focusing on that, and it is providing data, that is off-chain data, providing off-chain data into on-chain data. So this is the most important project, the king of Oracle, we can say. So Chainlink have a track on this. This is an important project. Next we have is Band protocol. This is the second one, and this is like Pepsi. We have Chainlink as a Coca-Cola, and it's like a Pepsi. So it's the second one. But the main important thing is regarding the oracles, we need more oracles in order to get in order to validate the data. Okay, actually, if we are if we have Chainlink, if we are getting data only from Chainlink, we don't know whether the data is valid, or sometimes in order to get a surety of particular data, we need 2 to 3 oracle providers. So then the data's validation, then the data will be very much accurate and very much valid. So for that kind of purpose, we need at least more than 2 to 3 oracle solutions. That will be very much helpful regarding the validation of data. And regarding that, the second we have is Band protocol. This is also an amazing project from Cosmos ecosystem. So it's based on Cosmos. So we have interoperability in Cosmos. And the major thing is it's like a Coca-Cola, it's like a second one, and the market cap is around 129 million. So market cap is 129 million. It is quite smaller. It's not, we can say it is smaller. It's like a top 100. You can say the rank is 84. So it's in the midway, the market cap, but it also has huge potential that has to be taken into account. It has huge potential. And if we see here, during the previous time, the same happened with Band also. It made a all-time high of $17.5 during the August month, and it went from, you can see here, during March of 2020, it was around $0.2. So you can say it went from $0.2, or you can say $0.3. It made a high of around 17.5. That is huge, guys. It's huge. You can see 0.323 will be 10x, and $30 will be around you can say 100x, but it's around 50x. So, and now the price is staying here in this range. So this price is from, you can say, if you see it's from 0.5. If you take 0.5, the project is still in 10x, still made 10x, and it's in profit of 10x. So it's a huge project, and you can have a look on this, and it has a high potential because it can occupy almost, it can during the bull run, it can come to at least it can come to the market cap of Chainlink right now. So right now the market cap of Chainlink is around 4 billion. And if we see Band, during the bull run, we can expect the market cap of around 2 to 3 billion. So it can also get the market cap of 2 to 3 billion. It's huge, and we can expect a huge return on this one. It has high potential, and Band is also doing the same thing: securable, scalable, blockchain, agnostic, decentralized oracle. So Band Chain Node, Band Chain Explorer. So these are the things. These are the products, and what it is doing is this one. Why do blockchain needs data oracles? That's the more important thing. So blockchains are great at immutable storage and deterministic verification computation. However, they cannot access trusted real world information available outside their network. So Band protocol enhances smart contract functionalities by granting them access to reliable data without any central point of failure. So this is what they are focusing on. They are providing data and they are providing the trusted real world data into the blockchain. So since Cosmos is an interoperable one, we can interoperate with Polkadot, Ethereum, and Chainlink and Cosmos. So it's a huge project, and they are still working on. They are expanding widely, and they have lots of things going on. So it's a huge project. Have a look on this. Then another Oracle solution. Next Oracle solution we are going to see is Stellar. Actually, Stellar is the most decentralized Oracle solution. You can say, if you compare all the Oracle solution, Stellar is the most decentralized Oracle solution. But that is the problem in terms of speed. So in terms of getting the data, which is faster rate, that is the speed. In terms of speed, it is a little bit slow, but they have launched, I think, the different versions, new versions. So I think that is quite pretty much faster compared to the previous versions, but it is the most decentralized or to say Oracle solution. And if you see this price, it is also not available during the previous bull run, and it started with, you can see, $0.5, around $0.2 or it's around $0.2, 0.2 to 0.1, and it made an all-time high of $87. It's huge, guys. It's a huge return, and you can see if you take from here around 2019 November, or you can, let's take it from $1. $1, it's around $87. It's insane, guys. It's insane one. So 1 to 10, it's around 10x. If you say 0.2 to 2 is 10x, and then 2 to 20 is, you can say it's 100x. From 100, it's like more than 100x, guys. More than 100x, and it's still down. You can see 69.9% down from the all-time high. It came up to $16 from the previous high. So these are the projects which haven't explored the all-time high during the bull run, and it has also huge potential. And this is a teller. This is in the third rank, which is from high to low. The market cap, you can see the market cap is around 44 million. So these can also easily reach 1 billion during the bull run. That is more important. So we are teller, decentralized Oracle network, everything is Oracle. So these are the things. Everything works samely. These are the main things. So these are the oracles about the teller. And next we are going to see is DIA. So DIA it's a new one. Actually, DIA is a new one, and you can see, if we see the market, there is no 1 year data since it's a new one. It's launched around August 4, and during the bull run, and it was low. The launching price was around 0.9, that is $1. It made a high of $4. Now it is again back to $1. So these are the projects. This is also an Oracle solution. It is a more important Oracle solution, and it haven't made an all-time high. That is not all-time high. That is all-time high during the previous bull cycle. So these are the new projects, and it has a market cap of 36 million. So it's still a smaller one. And we can expect a high gain during the bull cycle, since it's an Oracle provider, and it's one of the important thing. And regarding their website, this is the one, verified and transparent oracles for DeFi economy. So everything is Oracle solutions. And if you see, in terms of, actually the low market cap will have high risk. That is more important. So if you are focusing on higher returns or higher gains, the risk will be high. That's what the risk regarding the regarding the low market cap coins. But the low market cap coins can perform well during this bull cycles, but the risk is also high. It can come to zero anytime. So that is more important. You have to do your own research before investing into these projects. But these are some of the important Oracle solutions providers. Next we have Zap. So Zap is around $11 million. The market cap is around $11 million. It's quite small. You can see the rank is 333. So it's a quite smaller one, and it also gave a tremendous gain during the August bull run. You can see here the price is almost on the floor. That is $0.002. It made an all-time high of that is the previous bull cycle high. So it experienced the previous bull cycle high. You can see here it made a high of $1. That is during the previous bull cycle. And you can see the supply is the maximum supply, and this is a total supply. This is total supply, and this is the supply. If you see, the supply is around, we can see supply is around 237 million. So 237 million, this is the total circulating supply. And if you see the price, it made, you can see from 0.0022, it made a high of 0.2. Okay, we can take 0.2, 0.0022, 0.2. So it's a huge, guys. It's a huge return. You can see here 0.002. So it made already 100x. So this is during this during the August month. So we have 0. Okay, this it already made 100x, and it is, and now it is minus 95.7 from all time high from that region. Still from this high also it is still quite down. So we can expect these are the high quality projects. Since it's a Oracle provider, we can expect during this bull run it can perform very well. And you can see here, this is the Zap, decentralized bonding curve curation market. It's also providing data similar to all the Oracle solution. The last one we are going to see is DOS network. DOS network is a smaller one. You can see the rank is 398 and having the market cap of 8 million. So it's a quite smaller one, and this is a major thing is this is a Chinese narrative. That is the Oracle solution from China. So China based Oracle providers, and because of that itself it has huge hype, and it also provided a huge gain during the previous August bull run. You can see here from $0.001 it went to an all-time high of $0.3, so around $0.4. From 0.002 it's around 0.4. It already made 100x. So it already made 100x and then dropped significantly. Now it is staying around $0.05. So still it is staying at 10x from the all-time low, but it also made a tremendous run. And this project also can perform more during the bull cycle. We can expect a lot of gain from these projects, but these are having higher risk since it's a low market cap coins. But these are the projects having low market cap with better team, and they are working greatly, and the developer activities and lots of things going on. You can see it's also an Oracle problem. So it's specifying the Oracle problem that have with the blockchain, and they are providing data to the blockchains. That is, they are providing solution to the Oracle problems. So this is mainly from China. You can say this is mainly from China. These are strategic partners and lots of things going on. Still they are working 2020 research and integrate with Cosmos SDK and substrate framework to upgrade cross-chain Oracle. So they are working on cross-chain Oracle. So these are more important projects, and that's all for this video. And these are the important Oracle providers you can have a look on. We have to keep in mind that small market cap coins will have higher risk, but it will be having higher returns. That is a major thing. But in terms of higher market cap, the low risk, but the return also low. So if you want to take risk and if you want more gains, you can take risk by having a smaller altcoins, that is a smaller market cap altcoins. If you don't want to take risk, or if you want to have a decent gain, you can go for higher market cap altcoins. So that is the more important. That is the actual scenario. That is the scenario with the crypto. So keep that in mind. That is more important. So that's all for this video. Hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button and also subscribe this channel in order to support this channel. I'll see you guys in another video of Crypto with Crypto Mac. Until then, signing off, Crypto Mac. See you guys.